So as you have mentioned many steps, so if I'll ask you that if you can summarize to three initial steps, that if someone wants to start with the trading journey, what are the initial three steps he should, take care, which are must? So what will be those three steps according to you?
I think for the newbies who are just entering the market, who have money, okay, first, I think they should learn before entering the market. You should learn. Most of the time, what we do, we without learning, we get into the market. We think that market will make us a billionaire, millionaire in few days, few months, but that is not happening, and they will lose the entire capital. There's a rule of 90-90-90. Okay, the 90% traders lose their 90% of capital in first 90 days. Okay, that is called
Okay.
rule of 90-90-90. See, trading is all about protecting your capital. The second the step I would like to give is don't rely on others steps. Don't rely on others. Okay, it's your hard money. So don't rely on others. Do your own research, use your own brain, your acumen, and then invest. And the other advice I would like to give is start small with the equities. You
Okay.
should trade in the equities first. Give it some time, okay? Probably 2 to 3 years. Don't directly jump to derivatives. Most of the people lose their money in the derivative, that is future and options, right?
Okay.
And your patience will definitely pay you, but not overnight. Overnight success is not possible. It is not a choice at all.
Great. Great. So you have given these three steps. So anybody who is, looking to start the trading journey, these three steps will help you.